In this video, I'll put you through on how to set language on a YouTube channel, okay? This can help make your videos to reach more audience. All right, by default, most YouTube channels come without any language being set on it. All right, so I'll walk you through on how to set the language, including the title and the description languages for your videos to be subtitled so easily. Let's just get right into it. Okay, the first step you need to take is to launch your web browser. So here I'll be using Google Chrome. As your browser opens, visit studio.youtube.com and log into your YouTube account if you are not logged in automatically. Once your YouTube Studio app opens, the next step is to click on the settings, which is at the left margin, okay? When you click on settings, you will see you'll be landed on this general section, okay? But our interest is on upload defaults. Click on that. Then on this upload defaults, you are taken to this basic info. Click on advanced settings. On this advanced settings page, scroll down until you get to this language and caption certification. All right, you can see video language, English is chosen here. So if you want a different language, you click here and select a different language of your choice. But I'm okay with English. All right, then title and description language, still click here and select. Maybe you want it to be in Dutch, you select Dutch, which after that you click on save. All right, any language of your choice. But here I'm okay with English, so I'll click on English. All right, and I'll click there and select English. Okay, you can see if to say I change a language here to a different language, this save button will be clickable. But because I maintain the same settings I had in the language, it cannot be clicked on. Okay, so that is that. So once you choose the language, click on save and you're good to go. I believe this content helps. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on YouTube education and self-publishing as well as tech. All right, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. You can watch more of this video, this particular one, to learn more on YouTube education. Thank you and see you some other time.